Hello everyone, as part of learning the data flow analysis PIG, I will show you some of the operators and when you execute them what is the result, and these operators are also very important with respect to your examination, your interviews, your lab examination. So you should be thorough with these operators, their output, how do we execute them, and you need to take them as your lab exercise. So I will just show you how do we execute. So these operators are not only part of your theory question, they are your lab exercise also. So you are supposed to do them and put them in your records. So I will just show you various operators that are built into the PIG Latin. Now some of the operators, the first one, for each operator I will show you, just like we have for each operator in MapReduce as well as in Java. I will show you the for each operator in PIG. How do we give the syntax? For each, relation name should be given, generate is the keyword, and then you need to give the expression. So I will show you that with an example. I have done the execution and took the screenshots of the outputs and pasted here. So try to see this one. Apply the given operation on each record of the relation and return a new relation. Suppose this is the requirement. First one, dump A. I have a relation which I have loaded from the data set, an employee data set wherein employee number, name of the employee, salary and the department ID in which they are working. Say for example, this is the data, right? What am I trying to do? Apply the given operation on each record of the relation and return a new relation. This is what we need to do. What is the first one we are trying to do? B is equal to, whatever we are writing towards the assignment operator on the left hand side of assignment operator, that should always be counted as a relation. It should be considered as a relation or which is similar to a variable, but here it will be a relation just like Oracle table which consists of rows and columns, right? Now B is equal to, for each A, what is A? A is the relation which is given in the previous one. So for each tuple in the relation A, generate means I want to see the output. What output you want to see? Generate. In the output, which one do you want to see? E name, that is employee name, and the second attribute $2 should be multiplied by 2 as salary. Try to understand. For each tuple in the relation which is given the name as A, generate the output as E name and $2, that is the third attribute. These are called as the positional attributes. $0 for the first one, $1 for the second one, $2 for the third one, and so on. So this third attribute $2 should be multiplied by 2 as salary. What is the alias name we are giving to that $2 multiplied by 2? Salary. And where this E name and salary multiplied by 2 are stored? They are stored in the relation B. Now I want to see the output. Dump is the operator. So dump B. If you see, what do I have? Name of the employee, their salary is multiplied by 2. Just for verification I will show you once. First person, name is Rama, salary is 5,000. If you try to see the positional attributes, the first one, employee number, comes in $0, $1, salary is $2, and this is the department name, department number, which comes in $3. Now what is the statement we have given? Employee name should be generated and whoever is there in $2 position should be multiplied by 2. So if you see the salary values, Rama 5,000, Krishna 6,400. If you see the output, they are multiplied by 2. The name is also stored, right? So for each is one of the operators built into PIG Latin which will try to apply the given expression for every tuple in the relation. Next one, I want to show an example of a filter function wherein which returns the records which satisfy the given condition or expression. We have in SQL something called as where clause. Whichever data satisfies the where clause, only that particular data will be shown as the output. So this is similar to that. Filter function is similar to that. What am I trying to do now? Relation B is equal to filter the relation A by what is the condition? Salary value should be greater than or equal to 7,000. Did I mention generate only these particular attributes? No. So that means all the fields of the tuple should be given into the output. Try to understand. So I just told filter the relation A by the condition salary value greater than or equal to 7,000. So whichever rows have salary value greater than 7,000, greater than or equal to 7,000 will come into the output. So what are the rows we have salary value greater than or equal to 7,000? Kumar 7,200, Sumit 7,000, Pankaj 8,000, Ravi 9,000, Raju 10,000, Ramu 9,000. So those are the rows which come into the output. Next one, group by, which is similar to SQL group by, which tries to groups the rows or tuples of a relation based on a specific key value you are specifying. Now try to see this one, groups the records which are having same value. So here how can I group the employees? Generally employees belonging to a specific department can be considered as a group. So if I want to group my employees based on department number, which employees will come into a group? Rama, Kumar and Karthik should come into department 1. Pankaj, Ravi and Raju should come into department number 2. Department number 3 only 2 employees, department 4 only 1 single employee. Let us try to do this. So what did I do? C is equal to group the relation, original relation A by DID, stands for department ID. If you see this one, department ID will come, the grouping attribute will come in the first position. This is the grouping attribute and all the rows belonging to that particular row, that particular department will come in random order. You cannot expect any specific order when it is trying to build the bag. So this is just a random order value corresponding to the common group attribute value. Then one more, D is equal to, for each C generate whatever is the group attribute value, that one, sum of $1 dot sal. I will talk about this one. First of all, what are we trying to do? D is equal to for each C. Who is C? The grouped data. What are we trying to say? For each C generate, what are we trying to generate? The group attribute value, comma, sum of $1 dot salary. Let me talk about this one. Who is the group attribute value? This group value 1, 2, 3, 4 will come. That should be part of your first value in the output. And what is the second one? Sum of $1 dot salary. Who is $1 in this output? $0 is the grouping attribute value. $1 is this entire bag. $1 is this entire bag. So in this bag, who is the salary value? 5,500, 7,200, 5,000. Their sum should be displayed. So if you try to see, D is equal to for each value in the C, for each tuple in C, generate the grouping attribute value, comma, sum of $1. What is the first attribute? The entire bag. In that bag, take the salary values and calculate sum of them. So if you see the output, group attribute value is 1, sum of the salary values. Group attribute sum of the salaries, group attribute, sum of the salaries, and so on. You can quickly verify what is the sum of department 3, 7,000 plus 6,400, 13,400. Likewise. Now, I want to arrange the records in sorted order. What did we give? O is equal to order the given relation A based on the salary value. So, based on the salary value, it will try to put them in ascending order. I do not want in ascending order, I want to see them in descending order. You specify in the end DESC, just like SQL, it will try to put the data in descending order. Next, the most important operator in SQL also, the join operator or the join operation. Here also in PIG also, because we are trying to consider the output of every statement as a relation, here we have the join operators. We have normal join, we have outer joins. I will try to show the outputs of how do we execute them. Now, try to understand what are we trying to do. A is equal to load empj1.csv using pig storage, comma is the separator. I have tried to create a CSV file wherein comma is used as the separator. So, please create from the CSV, try to create a file with comma as the separator, and what are the attribute names? First one is the employee number, next one is the employee name with the specific data type I am giving, next one is salary, next one is the department ID, same data set I am trying to use. Then what did I give? B is equal to load department data. These are, I have taken similar tables from Oracle, employee table, department table. So, I have tried to store them using comma separated CSV files, and I have given the department attributes also. Try to see the third statement. What did I give here? C is equal to join. In order to work with joins in SQL, you try to give select so and so data from EMP, comma the second relation department. Whenever you are trying to take data from multiple tables or multiple occurrences of a single table, we call it as a join operation, and you try to join them using the common attribute. Here you need not write that entire statement, simply the statement is join A by department ID, B by department ID. You are just specifying both the relations and who is the common attribute in both the relations. So, the statement is C is equal to join A by which field? Department ID, B by department ID. B is the department field, so definitely it has the department ID, and employee field also department ID. We are joining both of them using the common attribute. The moment I say dump, this is how you get the data. Try to see, did I specify show me only these particular attributes? No. So, it will try to show all the attributes, employee number, name, salary, department ID. The first one is coming from employee, second one from the department table, what is the department number, name of the department, 2 attributes. So, 4 attributes from the first one, 2 attributes from the second one. Wherever both of them are matching, that data will come to you on join, right. So, apart from this, you have product which talks about cross product and all. We have various operators. These are some of the operators called for left outer join, right outer join and full outer join. What are outer joins? Whenever there is a deficit on one side, should I consider the rest of the tables in the second one or not? So, left side deficit, right side deficit and full outer join, either side deficit, right. So, you can work with various join operators, cross product, so many operators can be easily used like this. These are all part of your lab exercises. So, you are supposed to execute them, take screenshots and put them in your records. Thank you.